Hi guys, welcome to SharePoint 2013 complete training session. In today's session, we will cover how to create web application. So let's log in on the domain controller. Before creating the application, we need a DNS entry and a security account in the Active Directory. This is our DNS manager. We have created host A. Our URL of the web application will be intranet, and we have created records in DNS manager that is pointing toward the IP of the SharePoint server. We also need to create one account, security account, which is SP Web Apps. Our application pool of the web application will be running with this SP Web Apps account. So now log in on the SharePoint server and open Center Administration. Click on Application Management, Manage Web Application, Create New Application. Give it a name, port 80. We are leaving default setting for the security configuration, creating it with NTLM. We don't have any custom sign-in page. Or URL be intranet. Application name will be intranet. And before these providing these value, we first need to register a new manage account which we have created. So that is Yusufzai slash sp web apps. We have created this account in the AD with password never expired policy. If you have not created with that policy, then you have to mark this check so that SharePoint can handle the password change for that account. Click on OK. Now name of the application, intranet. Intranet. Appending intranet with content database so that we can easily understand that what database is for intranet site. We don't have any failover server, so leaving it as empty. The service application connection, this is the connection with the help of uh, the web application will communicate with services using this service application connection. We will cover it in the upcoming session, so leaving it as a default. Then we are not participating in the program that is customer experience improvement program, so I have marked it no and click on OK. It will take some time and a web application will be created. You should know that web application is like a simple container. It contain other site inside it. So after creating the web application, we need to create site collection inside this web application. So once it is created, then we will create a site collection in this web application. Now our web application is created and it's saying that click on create site collection. So clicking on this, we are giving it title as intranet website. It will be root site collection. So I am creating it as a team site and then providing the administrator for this site collection. that will be sp setup account, and leaving the secondary site collection administrator as empty. No quota, this is a quota template. It's when you restrict the storage and resources on this site, so you can configure it. For now we don't need it, so click ok so that we can create site collection in the web application that we have created. It will take again some time. So our site collection is created, and if we browse it we will get this site. So